Bonjour tout le monde! Welcome back to Infinite Languages. Aujourd'hui, we have a delicious topic to discuss, les légumes or vegetables in French. Did you know that vegetables are an essential part of a healthy diet? They are packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber. Let's explore some of them. First off, we have onion, which means l'oignon in French. L'oignon. It's not just for adding flavor to your dishes, but it's also rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Plus, it's low in calories. Next up, we have beetroot. La betterave. La betterave. It's known for its beautiful red color and is loaded with fiber and folate. It's even believed to help boost endurance. Then we have the carrot. La carotte. La carotte is a favorite for many. Did you know? It's a fantastic source of beta-carotene which is great for your eyes. It's also a crunchy and nutritious snack. Say hello to mushroom. Le champignon. Le champignon is often used in French cuisine. These fungi are low-calorie source of vitamin and minerals, including selenium. Potato. La pomme de terre. La pomme de terre. It's versatile and packed with potassium, vitamin C and fiber. You can prepare it in countless delicious ways. Now we have broccoli. Le broccoli. Le broccoli is known for its nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in vitamin K, vitamin C and folate, which are essential for overall health. Then we have the pepper. Le poivron. Le poivron comes in various colors and is packed with vitamin C. It adds a burst of flavor and color to your dishes. Next up, we have lemon. Le citron. Le citron is not just a vegetable but a fruit. It's incredibly high in vitamin C and adds a zesty kick to your recipes. Then we have the cucumber, le concombre. Le concombre is cool and refreshing. It's low in calories, high in water content, and great for staying hydrated. Hey, it's time for Halloween, the pumpkin. La citrouille. La citrouille is famous for all recipes. It's rich in beta-carotene, which can help keep your skin and eyes healthy. Next in a row is yummy tomato. La tomate. La tomate is a staple in many dishes. It's packed with lycopene and antioxidant that may reduce the risk of certain diseases. Last but not least, cauliflower. Chou-fleur. Le chou-fleur. It's a cruciferous veggie like broccoli and it's loaded with vitamins and fiber. Voila! These are some of the most common vegetables in French cuisine, each with its own unique flair and nutritional benefits. Incorporating them into your meals can help you maintain a balanced and healthy diet. So remember to eat your veggies and explore the culinary world in French. If you enjoyed this video, do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more language learning videos. Thank you for watching. À la prochaine. Goodbye.